Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into how to use UPBASE for your post-production workflow as per the 2025 guide. First up, log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, create it. It's pretty straightforward. The reason we do this is that UPBASE is a cloud-based platform and needs user authentication to access and store your files. Now that we're in, let's set up your project space. Go to New Project and enter your project details. This helps us because it provides a designated workspace to store and manage all your media files related to this project. Next up, it's time to import your media. Click on Upload Files and select your media. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is uploading your files and creating proxies for smooth online playback and editing. Once your media is uploaded, you can start using the editing tools. Go to the Edit tab and you'll find a range of tools to cut, trim, add effects, or whatever you need for your project. Let me explain why this matters. Having all your editing tools in one place makes your workflow efficient and seamless. After editing, you can share your project with your team for review. Go to Share, enter the email addresses, and hit Send. This is crucial because feedback is a key part of post-production, and UPBASE lets you share and collect feedback all in one place. Once all the revisions are done, it's time to export your project. Click on Export, select your preferred format, and you're done. The reason we do this is to convert your project into a format suitable for viewing and distribution. And that's it, a quick and easy guide on how to use UPBASE for your post-production workflow. Remember, the key is to keep your workspace organized and communicate effectively with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.